my friends. I have a bunch of paint left over from the last pour I did. This swipe made with the Artist Loft Ready Mixed paints, which I extended. So I thought I'd use them up, or use some more of them anyway. I'm going to be doing this technique, what I call the Squiggle technique or Drizzle technique. And I took the white I had left over and I tinted it with the orange to come up with this lovely peach color. Through my camera, it looks really gross. I'm filming at night and I don't know, changed to the color, but it's really quite a lovely peachy color. So I hope I will like that as a background here. And here we go. It should look hopefully I'll get a nice spring looking painting. So, I already put down the base coat, as you can see, and I think the key to this technique is to get a very thin base coat down. That doesn't mean thin necessarily in consistency, but spread very thin. So when I poured out my puddle, I had probably that much on the canvas, and stretched it all out so I have a thin coat, because otherwise these lines you put on, if you have a lot of paint as your base coat, they're going to grow and spread. So I think the key to success is having the base coat thin, if you know what I mean. I wonder, I might start dark and lighten as I go out. Let's try that. And if I don't like that, I'll just add more color. So I really like that orange one, but I'm thinking of embellishing it in some way. What do you think? Should I leave it alone? Okay, maybe this one. Okay, forget about going. Oh yeah, I am going lighter and lighter. That's what I wanted to do. It's been a long day. I'm not thinking very clearly, or I can't speak. I know what I want to do, but I can't seem to relay it. People have said they've tried this, and I mean, it's quite simple, but as with anything, it takes some practice. I've done several of these now, and they're all, a little different, present their own challenges. That's not showing up that well. And once again, I'm going to have a lot of paint left over. It's very Eastery looking, the colors. Reminds me of the colored dresses I used to get when I was a kid. I would get a wonderful new little Easter outfit, hat and purses, and it was I had a wonderful little childhood. We weren't well off, but they always made the important holidays special. And I think Easter is the most important of all the holidays. Even more important than Christmas, which I love. But without Easter, Christmas would have no meaning. That's my sermon for today. I won't get any deeper than that. Okay, I need to add more colors throughout. I don't. I like it. I like it quite a bit. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I wish I could get the color right, but I'll be able to show you the dried result at the end with the true colors. I think it's really pretty. I'm very happy with it. And I have a lot of paint left over, so you know what that means. More experimenting. So, which one do you like better? This one or this one? The bold one or the... And I'm leaving a little more negative space there. I didn't on this one. And I think I like that. So I'm gonna leave that. Okay, my friends. Thanks for joining me. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.